Hey, what's up guys? It's DIY Arch, and I figured I'd take another little live stroll with you guys. And today we're going to be having some weather out here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share this, and look at all the stuff flying in the road right now. Oh my goodness, we're getting hit by stuff. We're under a severe weather warning right now. And yes, we're out here in Florida. Might as well say, be good. Look, here's some more paper out here. Something's going on. It is super windy. You got to be careful in this weather, guys. Make sure you got both hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and if you wear glasses, and you don't always have to wear them, make sure you always have a good pair of glasses in the car, because, you know, I got those ones for night, so you don't have so much glare. They're nice to wear during the evening, so if you have glasses for the evening, or you can get the anti-glare, look at all this dust kicking up. If you have anti-glare glasses, they work great in the nights for driving and stuff, with the lights and the dust and the reflection of the lights of everybody's cars. So yeah, look at all this dust out here kicked up. Oh man, I'm gonna need a paint job after all this dust. We're doing major work on the highways, and they said we got scattered tornadoes that are happening all over the place. Hopefully we don't get caught in one, but if we do, I guess we'll have a little bit of action to talk about. I'd rather be safe and not have any action, but we'll see what nature has for us. And I figured, look at, oh my goodness, more stuff. Oh, something just went under the car. Yeah, I got the warning that we're supposed to pull off under a bridge right now, but I gotta get home. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh man, I'm getting sandblasted. Super windy. It's not cold though. It's about 65, 68 degrees. You can just smell the ocean in this air. If you guys hear that, that's not really too much rain. That's damn dirt all over my car. Man, it's windy out there. Oh man, this is like behind a sand truck or something. Go ahead and switch lanes into the right lane. Make sure you use your mirrors, switch a lane. Keep your hands on the wheel, and you can feel when it's windy. We have some lightning. That's pretty wild out here. The rain's about done. Now we're just getting hit by dust. Yeah, guys, make sure you wear your seatbelt. Oh, that's all dirt. Oh man, my wife's gonna be mad when I get home. Oh. Whew. This is pretty crazy. I've never experienced dust and dirt all over the truck like that. I've had dust storms, but normally they're high up in the sky. Man, this stuff is big dirt coming out. Oh, dust cloud. More like a sand cloud. And we're just kind of ran out of it. Look in the sky. Went under a toll. I don't know if you guys have tolls or not. If you're vacationing, just go through the tolls. If you've got a rental car, you don't need to go off to the side and pay nothing. There's a quick tip right there, guys. If you got tolls, most of the time your rental car, they have the plate just covers all that stuff. So if you see the tolls, I wouldn't worry too much about them. And worst scenario, they'll send you a bill in the mail. It ain't a big deal. So they won't give you no ticket or anything unless you totally forget about it. And then if you're from out of state, I don't even think they worry too much. Now, I wouldn't take my word on that. I'm just saying. So, I mean, don't get too scared when you see a toll if you don't have the right change. They take a picture of your plate and they'll send it to the rental car, or if it's your personal car, they'll even just send you a bill in the mail or something like that to make you pay. But if you get the sticker, then you save nickels and dimes. Not as much as you'd wish it'd save, but if you do get the 6-year pass or a yearly pass that sticks in your window, then that's pretty cool. You save a couple bucks. And if you're on the highways a lot, and when you're traveling in these states that have tolls, man, if you don't take some of these tolls, your drive can actually be 20 minutes more. And then some of them, if you take the toll, you save like 3 minutes, and then you end up paying like $5. So when you got your Google Maps or whatever kind of maps, you got your Apple map for traveling, make sure you check the tolls. Sometimes a toll might save you 3 minutes but cost you $5. So make sure you check them out when you're driving around. And then it's something to do while you're adventuring. But man, it cleared up. That was pretty wild back over there. We kind of raced out of it. I seen it behind me or in front of me, and I'm like, I better show everybody what it's like out here. But yep, sitting here driving home. There's a beautiful building over there to look at while you're cruising. You know, there ain't nothing wrong with cruising. So, all right, guys, I think we got out of the woodworks there. I think we're home free now. It's super clear. So you guys make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and be safe on the streets. I appreciate you guys watching the video. And until the next one, I'll go ahead and see you. We're out of here.